Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the torque screwdriver wrench driver bit set. It ranges from 10 to 70 inch-pound for maintenance tool, bike repairing, mounting, or for circuit breaker. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So I purchased this with my own money, $30.99, free shipping, plus tax. So the total damage is $33.70. So the main reason I purchased this because we're getting a lucid pier, so I'm not even sure how long it's going to take. But I'm just getting ready to prepare to install the 250 volt level 2 charging. So that's why I'm getting ready with all the tools. But I also need to buy the hardware to install it and wiring. Anyway, that's another part of the video. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is the company right here. Sanliang. Digital torque driver. I don't think it's digital, the one that I bought. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is in Chinese. And right here is in English. User return receipt and warranty card. It's a silicone gel here. The foam's kind of stiff. Right here is a soft foam right here. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bits. And here's a display right here for the inch-pound. You're supposed to put it down and then turn it. You can see the number right here. And you set it and then push it back up. Let's check it out if it's going down. Alright, so that's the lowest. Well, let's keep on going down. And this is magnetic at the tip, which is good so it doesn't fall off. So it's pretty loose if I put it on the lowest. What is that? 3. So it has to be 10 and above. Right now it's at 10. Okay, there you go. It's working at 10. That's the lowest setting. And then you can graduate it to go up. Okay. So yeah, pretty good. So hopefully this thing is gonna last. It feels pretty solid and heavy duty. So, and I was shopping around with the eBay and Walmart, other site, Target and other site, but this is the cheapest that I found. Back then, I think it was like $29.99, but it went up like $1, so $1 should be okay. So, oh, yeah, I didn't know you can unscrew this. Like a metal or aluminum. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.